welcome or welcome back to my channel. You guys, this is almost the end of the year and it is time to change it up. It's time to change it up. It's a new season and it's time to do things differently. What I mean by that is differently here on this channel, differently with myself and what I got going on in my life right now. It is a new season and it's time to do something different. But today, this is just the start of it, but I'm going to be unboxing something today. But today I got my daughter here helping me to unbox something that I seen on Instagram and I really wanted it and I ordered it and I got it for me. And I think she's gonna want to get on it sometimes, but it's for me. Anyway, without further ado, let me show you what we got. I got. All right. So I'm gonna zoom it in. What I got here is the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper. If you can see it from the box, it is a total body advanced stepper machine. And I'm super excited to open it, so you guys are going to see firsthand with me how it works and you know, if it's hard to put together or anything, or it may be already together. But yeah, we're about to open it and see how it looks. Okay, so as you see, it wasn't hard to get out. It came with it already together, and these are just the resistant bands that I can add onto, I'm assuming, these latches here. And it also came with the instruction manuals, and like I said, the name of it is called Sunny Health and Fitness, a mini stepper. All their socials on the side. And you guys, this video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own cash money, and of course I'm going to put a link down below to show you guys, you know, so that you can get it for yourself as well. But anyway, this is how it looks. And me and Kate is about to get on here and see how it works. Okay, so I'm just going to try it without the resistant bands and my shoes. Let me put my shoes on. But I got the one where it goes out as you step. Oh, I like it. Okay. Alright, I do like it because it goes out and it has a, let me show you guys the stepper, the digital stepper, to show you how many, I'm assuming that's how many steps you make, but I do need to look at the instruction manual to see for sure. Okay, as you see here, it's a stepper count, I'm assuming, to show you how many steps you make. But okay, so as you see, this is the start of, well, one of the things that I have added to my at-home workout equipment, my collection, because I do plan to start over, you guys, a new weight loss journey. 2023 is approaching, and not just because of 2023, but I think it's just time for me to reset and get myself together. But I'm going to sit down thoroughly, authentically, and talk to you guys about it in another video. So be sure to subscribe and click your bell so you know when I upload that video. I do plan to give you updates and plans on what I plan to do and why I'm doing it. But and if you want to follow me on this journey, please subscribe and, you know, follow me along with it. Anyway, I'm gonna let my baby try it so y'all can see how it's, I guess, kind of friendly for kids as well. Why she got her boots on, I don't know, but okay, how it feel? Really? Okay, so for the resistant band, you latch it on and then you have to twist it, let me see, to tighten it back up like this. Okay, and it's tight, and that's how you put the resistant bands on to make it more challenging for your workout. I'm so excited to do this. That's it for the unboxing, and be sure to, like I said, subscribe so you can see plenty more videos on me working out on this mini stepper and maybe this one as well. But also, like I said, be sure to subscribe because I am starting a new journey, and I would love for you guys to follow me and encourage me and help me along the way. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.